Good afternoon. Hope everybody is doing well. You have the opportunity to have a little bit long weekend with this Labor Day tomorrow. So in this video, I would like to give you some information about our group work and also what is waiting for us in the very near future. So as you know, or some of you might remember, the ones who answered the introductory survey in week 1, I formed your groups according to your answers. And for the ones who did not respond to the introductory survey, so they needed to have a faith in me. I hope everything goes well. So over the years, we try on online classes 171, 172, or 152, or some others like 263, we thought. The group work works really well with the students, particularly with the online students, because together you're stronger and we would like you to communicate with each other. So one of the things that you will gain from this course, hopefully, other than learning pre-calculus, is communicate with people by writing or by solving problems. So that's why there's a lot of research showing that on your transcript, higher level classes, if you have taken them online, it gives you a huge standout. So that's one of the trials that we're going to do. So on your navigation menu, this is our navigation menu, there's a group page link. And when you hit that link, you will be landing a page like that. So on that page, you will be seeing a group discussion board that you will be using for our purpose of attendance requirement 1. And then you will also see the group assignment on that page. So if you click on that group discussion board, you can go ahead and get started with the discussion. This week, I'm leading the discussion as an introduction. From now on, for the coming weeks, I was expecting you to have chat in this discussion board regarding to your assignment, how to tackle the problem or write down one sentence, which PowerPoint file is it coming from, did you find the Sofchoke lesson useful to learn to that subject. So if you click the introduction, you can see one of our class member post her introduction, and the others should respond. So that's one group feature. The other thing that I need you to know, Smarter Proctoring on the navigation menu. Please register for your test. All your registration is going to go through that Smarter Proctoring. Other than that, there was one slight mistake on the PowerPoint week 2 transformation. I have uploaded the corrected PowerPoint. Please have a look into them. So after this week 3, we are going to have our test 1. It's between September 9th, 10th, or 11th. September 9th is Monday. Please make sure you register through Smarter Proctoring to one of those days in one of those WakeTech e-learning testing centers. So remember that although this course is online, you have to take the tests pen and paper in approved testing centers, and those testing centers are our community college learning testing centers. If you have any questions and comments, please let me know. We are just 1 week away for our first test. I will be grading our last week discussion board. That was individual one. That also helped me to form the groups. I wish you the best. Just let me know. Reach out to me. We'll get things straight together. All right. Good luck.